Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejasvi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine, which is anti-acne skincare routine. Now for those who don't know, I want to share with you guys that I had acne 3 to 4 years back and I was suffering a lot with acne, so I decided to consult a dermat and she recommended a skincare routine to me, which I followed for about 3 to 4 months, and now my skin is cleared out with pimples and I have just marks and blemishes left on my face. So if you want to know what were the products and how I used it and what was the cycle of my routine and what I do actually during day and night, if you want to know all these things, then keep on watching. Okay, so before getting into the actual routine, I just wanted to give you a quick look on what all the products are and how I use them, in which order, and when to use it, what are products I use during day and what are products I use during night. I just wanted to give you a quick disclaimer about that. So yeah, the first product is the Ethiglow face wash. Now it looks like that. Okay, so this is what I used at the very first step of my routine. Now this face wash was recommended to me by my dermat, and talking about this face wash, it cleanses your skin completely. Like, it cleanses your skin deeply, and after washing you can feel that dryness on your face that when we get after deep cleaning our face, it does the same job. So yeah, highly recommend it. So the second product I have used in my skincare routine is the Aquasoft Moisturizer. It looks like that. Now this moisturizer helped me to get back all the hydration I have lost by like deep cleansing my skin using that face wash. It hydrates to an level, like extent level, if you apply this moisturizer in the morning, you can feel that hydration even in the evening if you don't wash your face and just stay like that. Okay, so it moisturizes to that level. So if you are an dry skin family girl, you can buy this face wash. Obviously consult your dermat first and then go for this, but if your dermat recommends you, then go for this face wash. I would recommend it for dry skin family. Now for oily skin girls, use a little bit amount of this face wash. Use little bit amount of moisturizer because it hydrates to an extent level. Your face would become more oily, more greasy, so just apply a little bit amount of it and you will be good to go. Okay, so after cleaning, moisturizing, your skin needs sun protect, because obviously if you are going out in the sun, your skin needs to be protected from harmful rays that sun releases. So the third product that my dermat recommended me was sunscreen. For it, she recommended me the New Face sunblock, and it contains SPF 30 in it. Now I really feel that sunscreen plays a major role in maintaining your skin, because it prevents your skin from suntan, it prevents from harmful sun rays, so it is really important. So don't skip sunscreen. I never used to apply sunscreen before I visited the dermat, but she told me the importance of sunscreen and I now never skip it. So I would suggest you also do so. Okay, so till now we saw the daytime skincare routine, and now I'll be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. Now my nighttime skincare routine just comprises of two more products, and they are, the one is Adafilin gel, and it is 0.1% and it is from the company Galderma. It looks like that. Okay, so this cream she specifically gave me for pimples. Like wherever I have pimples, I have to just apply this cream after washing my face and I have to sleep over it. So this cream just heals pimples and nothing else. So if you are too acne prone, or you have very harsh pimples, then visit a dermat, and if she recommends it, use it as per I told you. Like, you have to apply it after you wash your face and just sleep over it, nothing else to do. So yeah. Okay, so last product of my skincare routine is the Mega Glow Rich Depigmentation and Glow Restoration Cream, and this is what it looks like. And this cream was given to me for detanning and even toning my face. Now this cream actually does its job, because ever since I started the treatment, this cream is working like a magic on my skin. Like, it is clearing out the depigmentations I have. Like, I have depigmentation on my forehead, around my mouth area, and over the cheeks. So it is recovering it fast, and it is also healing the dark spots that my pimple had left over from past I don't know how many years. So it is restoring it, and it is recovering it. So it is really a magical cream. Okay, so that was it for the products and its description. Now we should jump into the actual skincare routine. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then do turn the black thumb blue, that is, do like and subscribe before leaving. Don't go without subscribing, it really hurts me a lot. And also do try this routine out and let me know whether it is working for you or not. And I would suggest, if you have a major pimple issue, or if you are having major acne issues, just consult a dermat first, because you can't get out of it without a dermat. So just do that first, and then follow the routine that they are suggesting you, and follow it compulsorily. Then only you would get the results. Okay, so yeah, that was it for today. I hope you all liked it, and see you in my next video, guys. Until then, bye.